What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another flaming hot math video. Today we're going to cover absolute value. Let's get into it. Alright, you guys might be thinking, what in the hell is absolute value? Let me show you. So we have negative 2 equals 2, and we have 3 equals 3. What do you notice about these? I notice these two bars on the sides of negative 2 and 3. So what do these bars actually mean? All it means is that negative 2, anything inside an absolute value, these vertical lines called the absolute value thing, I don't know what it's going to be called, but all you need to know is that negative 2, whatever's inside of this absolute value, equals the positive version of it. Next, and then this one, if it's a positive inside this absolute value thing, then the answer is always going to be positive. And that's all you really need to know. Let's dive deeper into how you can use these in equations. Alright, so we have x plus 3 in an absolute value bracket equals 5. What this means is there's going to be two equations. Are you glad I remember this? There's going to be two equations. One, the answer is going to be positive, and the other one, the answer is going to be negative. Now, let's do it. Let's do the positive one first. So we have x plus 3 equals 5. So you can see the answer is positive right here. The 5 is positive. X plus 3 equals negative 5. And the answer is negative. So we're going to have two different answers for this. Next step is to just solve for x. Minus 3 minus 3. X equals 2. And 2 is one of our answers. Another one, minus 3 minus 3. X equals negative 8. Oops. X equals negative 8. So you have 2 and negative 8 as your answers to this absolute value equation. Alright, now I want you guys to try this one on your own. Pause this video and give it a go. Alright, I hope you tried that on your own. Let's do it together. So you're going to have two equations. One of them is going to be positive 17. One of them is going to be negative 17. Right? X plus 7 equals 17. We have x plus 7 equals negative 17. Minus 7, minus 7. The x by itself. We have x equals 10. This one, minus 7, minus 7. X equals negative 24. So 10 and negative 24 are your answers. You can check that by plugging it in here. Check this one by plugging it in here. It will be equal to negative 17 or 17. Alright, let's try this one. This one is kind of tricky because you have 2x plus 6 and then you have this 4 right here. Right? So in order to solve this, we need to use this absolute value thing. We treat it as a variable. So we need to treat this entire thing like it's a x or a y or some other variable. So in order to solve for a variable, we gotta eliminate this 4, right, to get it by itself. So we have to subtract 4, both sides. All we're left with is the absolute value, 2x plus 6 equals 14. Now we can create two equations. So we have 2x plus 6 equals 14. And then we'll go right here. 2x plus 6 equals negative 14. Now we can solve for x. Subtract 6 from both sides. 2x equals 8. And x equals 4. Minus 6, minus 6. 2x equals negative 14. Minus 6 is negative 20. Divide by 2, x equals negative 10. So negative 10 and 4 are the answers. You can check that by plugging it in. You would get 14 or negative 14. Alright guys, we made it to the end of the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. More new content is coming soon. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.